Uh, Myself Sushant. Today I'm going to explain implementation of K-means clustering for customer segmentation. Aim to write a program to implement the K-means clustering for customer segmentation. Equipment required: hardware PCS, Anaconda, Python 3.0 installation, and Jupyter Notebook algorithm. Load the customer dataset and select the relevant features such as annual income and spending score. Choose the number of clusters K and initialize K centroid randomly. Assign each data point to the nearest centroid using distance and update the centroid by calculating the mean of each cluster. Repeat step 3 until the centroids no longer change and display the final cluster for customer segmentation. Program NumPy for calculation, Pandas to read dataset, Matplot to draw graphs, K-means clustering algorithm, read customer data from file, show first new few rows, annual income, spending score, trace cluster from 1 to 10, calculate error, helps decide best number of groups, graph shows where the curve bends, that point is equals to best number of cluster. Divide customer into 5 groups. Each color is equals to different customer group. Example: high income, high spending; low income, low spending. Yellow points center of each cluster. Final output given graph shown, and the final result is thus the program to implement the K-means clustering for customer segmentation is written and verified using Python programming.